Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these hearts. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. Now let's start the tutorial. First of all, take a small piece of paper and draw a half heart shape on it and then cut it. And when I will open it, it will become a complete heart like this. Okay, so we will use this template and now take a felt sheet and draw this shape with the help of pen or pencil and then cut this shape. Cut two such pieces in total. We need two heart pieces of the same size. Now take a thread and a needle. You may take a same color of the thread or you may take a contrasting color. Both look good. Now take both the pieces one above the other and start from this point. Insert the needle from the inner side so that the knot may not look visible from the outside. Now I don't know exactly what's the name of the stitch is in English, but this is how you will do it. Keep the thread on the left side, insert the needle through both of these felt pieces and then pull the thread, and that's how you will do this stitch. So that is a very secure type of stitch and also looks beautiful, and it looks same from both the sides, that is from the front and the back. I will show you a moment later. Now take a close look of it, and also from the back side it looks the same. Now keep doing these stitches along the whole heart, but I will add a loop here so that we may attach this heart later to any other project we want. And for this reason I'm taking the small piece of ribbon and I'm folding it further and then insert it here at this point and now secure it with the help of stitch, and then keep on doing these stitches until you reach at the same point on the second half of the heart. Now take this second end of the ribbon, make a loop shape and insert the second end of this ribbon within the two flaps and then secure it again with the help of the stitches. You can add the ribbon loop with the help of a glue, but that will make two sides, that is the right and wrong side, which I don't want to make. That's why I have stitched it inside. Now continue stitching until here. Now fill the upper part of the heart by using small bits of cotton. You may take help of a pan to insert these. Do not fill the cotton completely till the end, as it will hinder the stitching of the later part. So just fill it through the upper part and stitch till the lower point. Now this is a small space left which is unstitched, so through this space, I will fill the remaining part of the heart using small bits of cotton one by one, and then stitch the remaining part as we did earlier. Now after completing the stitching part, make 2 or 3 knots to secure the thread and then cut the extra. That's how the heart is complete. You may also add more felt shape cutouts or any other colored felt piece to embellish it more, but I will keep it simple. That's how I need it, and this is ready. And you can use these hearts in lots of projects, and the good thing is that these are washable. I made this bigger size heart long ago, but now I needed this pink and red one, so I made the tutorial for you, and I hope you will like it. And if you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for